I'm having a hard time today. Hello. I can't. Okay. I'm covered in fur. My nails are really difficult to deal with today, and I need to wash my hair, but I can't because I gotta wash it tomorrow. So this is what's happening today. I just feel like, okay, the rest of me is like, ugh, but then my nails are like, wow. And then everything is just so, there's just so much going on. I can't do anything. I can't even wipe my own butt with these. I don't know how people function with nails this long. They look cool though. They look really cool, but I legit can't function. Hold on, I need to turn the music on. Sometimes I just like, I hit them on things too hard. They're heavy and my hands are sore. Happy birthday, Melissa. Happy birthday. Guys, I can't. Please. Okay, I'm having a really, these are definitely longer than the Daywalker nails. Definitely way longer, but it's worth it. It's worth it.